loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics. Hello, I'm the phonics tree. Can you guess today's letter?
What are we learning?
Say these with me. Monkey. Valley.
Wow.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Honey.
Honey.
Key.
Key.
The E sound.
Wow, we're learning the E sound.
It's time to read.
Are you ready to read? Hello, I'm a little grizzly. Want to read with me? Let's spell the E words. E, monkey. V-A-L-E, valley. T-er-k-e, turkey. Honey, honey. E, key. Wow, well done spelling the E words.
It's time to write.
Hi everyone, get those pencils ready. It's time to write. Welcome to the Writing Centre. Trace with your magic writing finger or pause and write the words with your pencil. M-A-N-E, money. T-A-R-K-E, turkey. An-E, honey. T-er-ollie, trolley. The E words. Woohoo! Well done writing in the Writing Centre.
It's time to find.
Step into the deep dark wood. See what sounds you can find. Which one has today's sound? Listen for the E sound. Elephant, sauce, key. Which one has the E sound? Key. Round 2. Draw, money, phone. Can you hear the E sound? Money. Wow, well done. You found the E words.
It's time to say.
I'm ready for a sing-along. Whee! Try to keep up. I'm fast. Monkey, valley, turkey, honey, and key all heavy. Whichy picture is your favorite? Come and look and see. With an E here and an E there. Here an E, there an E, everywhere an E. Monkey, valley, turkey, honey, and key all heavy. E, 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 E. Hello, I'm very impressed. You've learned the sound very well, haven't you?
Yeah, I know the sounds.
Say these with me. Monkey, valley, turkey, honey, key, the E sound.
You're clever. Well done.
Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.